Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Darling Supersoft extra volume braid, and I can't wait for you guys to find out why exactly I love and like this braid. So please do stay tuned. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Mwah, 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 mwah. First of all, before we go anywhere, it is 39 inches. Listen, you have to stay around. You have to stick around for this review.
Like I said, the first thing that impressed me about this braid is the length of it. It's 39 inches plus double the volume, which gives you the power of transformation. You guys know your girl loves to experiment, and this 100% Kanekalon hair from Darling gives me the ability to do just that. The texture is coarse and soft, which makes it perfect for braiding styles. It has just enough grip and is lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it being heavy on your head. Hashtag box braid gang. It has a healthy shine without looking cheap or plastic-like. It's easy to feather and is a hot water set braid that's affordable. Alright. Let's actually get into the tutorial so I can show you guys how I achieved this bubble pony style. It was so much fun. I'm going to start off by parting your hair from ear to ear, and then once you've sectioned it into two halves, you're going to now section into 3 triangles in the front and 3 triangles at the back. Once you've got your 3 triangles in the front and 3 triangles at the back, you can now go in with your Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice that works for your natural hair, and you're going to sleek down each one of those ponytails. Once you've sleeked them down and tied them in place, you can now either go to bed, go under a heated dryer, and wait for your hair to dry. Once your hair is dry, you're now going to get your Kanekalon hair, which is your Darling Supersoft braid. You're going to cut it into 2 halves, and the reason I cut it into 2 halves is because I really wanted this style to still have a lot of length, and because this hair is so long, that is exactly what I got. After you've cut it into 2 halves, you're going to just section each pack into 4. And then you're going to attach them onto your ponies. So the fact that it's double the volume means that you are guaranteed that 2 packets will be enough for the style that I've created. And for some of other styles, like if you want to do cornrows or if you want to do box braids, you know that you don't have to spend a lot of money on buying 10 packets of braids or whatever they say these days. So that's the one thing that I absolutely loved about this hair. And as you can see, even though I've feathered it and I've played around with it, it's not frizzing, it's not bundling together, it's not matting, and that's one of the things that I really loved about using this. I'm going to now go in, once I've attached it to my hair, I'm going to go in with small little elastic bands, and I'm going to tie it into little bubble ponies, and then you're going to spread them apart to create that like bowl shape. And as you can see again here, as I am playing around with it, this hair keeps its texture, it keeps its shine, it keeps its look, and it looks so healthy, it looks so fun, it looks shiny. And I really like this about this hair. You can now go ahead and finish off the rest of your braids and then add accessories, and just like that, you've got yourself this bubble pony hairstyle. I absolutely found this fun and edgy, you guys. You should try it using your Supersoft braid and tag me in your styles.